Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to today's session on fauna and investigation, the science of decomposition. I'm Vaishnavi, member of Shivi Forensics, and it's a pleasure to have you all with us this evening. This topic beautifully blends biology with forensic science, highlighting the crucial role of animal activity in solving mysteries of death and decomposition. We are honored to have with us Ms. Madona Mathew, a dedicated forensic science professional and academician, specializing in criminology, forensic psychology, victimology, entomology, and forensic anthropology. Currently, she serves as an assistant professor in the Department of Forensic Science at Usha Martin University, Jharkhand, and has published numerous articles in reputed journals. Ma'am, we are thrilled to have you with us. Share your expertise with us, please. The session is all yours.
Well, thank you so much for that introduction. So, can I start? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Am I audible enough, guys?
Yes, ma'am, you're clear.
Yes, thank you so much. If in case my network goes out, please let me know in the chat box.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. I'll just share my screen. Can anybody confirm? Is my screen visible enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
I'm just sharing I'm just starting the slideshow then. Okay. So, good evening, everybody. So, here I am Madona Mathew. I am here to talk on the topic fauna and investigation, the science of decomposition. So, can anybody tell under which branch of forensic science this topic will come under? Will come? Anyone?
Ma'am, entomology.
Yeah, forensic entomology, because in the heading itself it said investigation, right? You said it right, it's entomology. But because we are a multidisciplinary branch and we are doing the, interdisciplinary thing, no? So we are it comes under the forensic entomology. Okay, thank you. So to start with introduction, forensic entomology is basically the branch which relies on natural procedures, okay, process which occurs in the insect, okay, and which can help in solving medico-legal cases. The post-mortem interval calculation is a major part of forensic entomology. Do you guys understand the term post-mortem interval, PMI? Have you heard? Or are there kids from other branches as well, other than rather than forensic science? Can anybody confirm? फोरेंसिक के बच्चे हैं या बाहर बाकी दूसरे ब्रांचेस के हैं?
Ma'am, all forensic science.
That has
Okay, so you guys understand what is post-mortem interval?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is post-mortem?
Ma'am, postmortem interval means the
It is
time
used
that
to
has
show
passed
whether
since
that
the
Sorry, not clear. एक करके बोलिएगा. Yes, please. Yeah. बोलिए। Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Message.
Okay,
It's
okay. I'll say mortem is death. So postmortem is after death. Okay. Interval is when we start with the investigation, हमें what is the time period? What is the interval after which we have found कि body कितने time पहले मर चुकी है? That is the interval. So here in forensic entomology, we are highly focusing on this thing. Can anybody say what can be the reason क्यों forensic entomology पूरा main focus PMI पे क्यों कर रहा है? Do you guys think forensic entomology is a relevant and very useful branch या फिर ignore करा जा सकता है? क्योंकि we all have, we have DNA, we have genetics going on, we have good labs, forensic bio labs. तो ये सब है तो फिर entomology का कुछ significance होता है?
मैम इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट ब्रांच बिकॉज एंटोमोलॉजी अगर फॉरेंसिक एंटोमोलॉजी से हम डेथ का टाइम भी पता कर सकते हैं पर्सन की।
वो तो हम अदर मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं ना, नॉर्मल फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन ऑब्जर्वेशंस, राइट?
यस मैम।
तो फिर इसकी जरूरत है इंसेक्ट्स के पीछे जाने की या फिर छोड़ा जा सकता है, इग्नोर मारा जा सकता है?
Ma'am,
ओके सो
it helps after decomposition time. Like if body is decomposite, and then we use the forensic entomology to find that cause of death and the time of death at that time.
ओके दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आंसर, बट वो भी तो हम फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन से भी तो ढूंढ सकते हैं, राइट?
Yes,
देखो
ma'am.
हम हमेशा क्या देखेंगे कि इजीएस्ट मेथड देखे, है ना? व्हाई वुड यू गो फॉर अ टफ मेथड इफ यू हैव अ इजी मेथड, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
So a very good advantage of forensic entomology is that insects can give information even if the post-mortem interval has crossed 72 hours. Got the point? यूजुअली जितने भी पोस्टमार्टम इंटरवल एनालिसिस मेथड्स हैं ये लोग 24 आवर्स 36 आवर तक अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देते हैं, ओके? बट फोरेंसिक एंटोमोलॉजी इज दैट वन ब्रांच जो 72 आवर्स क्रॉस हुआ तो भी बहुत परफेक्ट रिजल्ट दे सकता है पीएमआई का। इज दैट क्लियर गाइस?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, समझ में आया? डाउट है?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, any person who has a very good knowledge about insects, life cycle of insects, and their changes and climate changes, yeah, their behavioral changes, they can help forensic people analyze a corpse. ओके, कॉर्प मतलब डेड बॉडी, हम कॉर्प यूज कर सकते हैं, कैडावर यूज कर सकते हैं टर्म्स, ओके? एंड देयर ससेशन इज वाइटल टू दिस, मतलब जो भी इंसेक्ट बॉडी में आता है वो क्या क्या फैक्टर्स से अट्रैक्ट होके आता है, कितने टाइम तक बॉडी में रहता है, जितने टाइम तक बॉडी में रहता है क्या क्या वो कर रहे हैं बॉडी में, वो जो एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं उनसे हमें क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकती है. So these are all what is studied in forensic entomology, ultimately leading in helping with the medico legal cases and the reports. Okay, so can I start with insect interactions at various stages? आप लोगों को पता है कि after death decomposition के कितने stages हो सकते हैं? Any rough idea? Any rough idea? Yes, no? No है तो भी बोल सकते हैं.
नो मैम।
Okay.
Ma'am, 5
बोलिए.
stages.
Yes. Can you name roughly?
मैम फ्रेश स्टेज रहता है जो 0 to 2 days तक रहता है, देन ब्लोटिंग स्टेज, देन एक्टिव डिके, एडवांस डिके, और फिर पूरा टोटली स्केलेटन डिकम्पोजिशन वाला।
Wow, nice. You are in which year of course?
मैम दीपिका, 3rd year, उषा मार्टिन यूनिवर्सिटी।
Acha, oh, you sorry. I'm sorry. I'm totally sharing the screen. I can just hear the voice. Okay, so nice. Okay, so हमें सब इतना तो पता है ना कि डिकम्पोजिशन के प्रोसीजर में बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स को इन्वॉल्व है। आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा ना कि आपने कभी तो रोड में तो कोई भी एनिमल, मोस्टली डॉग्स एंड कैट का डेड बॉडी तो देखा होगा ना, है ना? तो आपने उसके आजू बाजू में इंसेक्ट्स देखा होगा, फ्लाइज देखा होगा, मक्खी तो देखी होगी आपने। घर पे चूहा भी मरता है तो मक्खी तो जल्दी आ ही जाती है ना?
यस मैम।
तो वी ऑल नो दैट सम इंसेक्ट्स आर देयर। और भी है ऑर्गेनिज्म, बैक्टीरिया हो सकते हैं, वर्म्स हो सकते हैं, लेकिन इंसेक्ट्स है, थोड़े एनिमल्स है, इवन कुत्ता बिल्ली भी और देख ले तो वो भी स्कैवेंजर्स भी इन्वॉल्व है, सब लोग इन्वॉल्व है, राइट? अब हम क्विकली देखते हैं। ओ ओके गाइस, प्लीज लेट मी नो व्हेनेवर आई एम गोइंग ओवर टाइम, ठीक है? ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैम।
यस यस, थैंक यू।
Okay,
ऑल्सो
ma'am.
अभी हम क्विकली देखते हैं व्हाट आर द स्टेजेस ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन, एज दीपिका राइटली सेड कि एक एक स्टेज में क्या हो रहा है, एंड जो हो रहा है उस हमारे बॉडी में क्या हो रहा है, और इंसेक्ट कौन कौन से इन्वॉल्व है, ठीक है? ये मोस्टली मैंने उन्हीं इंसेक्ट्स के फोटोज डाले हैं जो आप लोगों ने अपने अराउंड देखा होगा कभी ना कभी। ओके, अब हम जस्ट क्विकली देखते हैं कि व्हाट आर द क्लूज एंटोमोलॉजी गिव्स कि इंसेक्ट को एनालाइज करने करने के बाद करने से हमें क्या ही पता
Can you
चल
explain in
सकता
English, ma'am?
है? व्हाट?
Can you explain in English, ma'am? I'm from South India.
ओ ओ ओके, श्योर ओके,
Okay,
जस्ट अ
ma'am.
सेकंड, श्योर। हु इज दैट? आई जस्ट, हु इज दैट?
English, ma'am.
Madesh, okay, you're Tamilian?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, sure. I'll switch to complete English, okay? If in
Okay, ma'am.
between again I use, please let me know again, okay? I'm so sorry. I'll be conscious, but yeah, yeah. You can share you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, what are the clues? Okay, what are the clues forensic entomology gives? Okay, so first thing is, even we can just see if there is a primary and a secondary crime scene. You guys understand what primary and secondary crime scenes are? Criminalistics?
Yes
Anyone?
मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the
यस
first place, I mean the major place where the crime took place, okay, happened, is the primary. And if the if the suspect, the criminal has misplaced, replaced or changed to a new location, that becomes a secondary crime scene. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
forensic entomology will easily help us to identify if a body, cadaver, corpse have been moved or disturbed after death. Can anybody quickly say how? Any simple example?
कैन बी फाउंड इन ओनली दैट एनवायरनमेंट।
Yes, very good, very good. Quickly, if I say, I always use this example. Okay, let's take the northmost part, Kashmir area, and the southernmost part, Kerala area. Okay, so the let's imagine somebody has did a murder and then shifted from Kerala to Kashmir. So Kerala is the primary location and Kashmir is the last location. So if primary, as soon as the death happened, any insect from Kerala which has obviously been around the dead body, and then while relocating the body to Kashmir, this insect also went with the corpse, right? Now when we find out the body in Kashmir, from Kashmir, if we can get the insect which was which has been identified from Kerala, so it clearly shows that the body has been relocated. Did you get my point, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, then of course, as I said earlier, the time elapsed after the crime, the PMI basically. Okay, the season of the death in case of reinvestigation, of course, there are insects which come in a particular season. Okay, you might have observed around there are insects which might be only seen during the summer season or during the rainy season or maybe as per the presence of light, maybe you can locate some insects and flies during day but not during night, and some only during night, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and also presence of wound is one very important thing, because how many body openings we have? Natural body openings. We have ears, right?
Ma'am,
We have nose, mouth, then
Mouth.
our genitals, right? These are our natural
Yes, ma'am.
openings. Yes. So, of course, the easiest way for any organism to enter our body are these not natural openings, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but if there is a wound, let's imagine a dead body with a bullet wound. Okay. Now
Okay,
there
ma'am.
is a major opening, wound opening, where there is high presence of blood, moisture, your flesh. So of course, naturally the fauna is going to get attracted to all those, right? Because insects do come to the body to feed, right? Get for nutrition. So they have a opening with all their, needs around. So they'll first go to the wound.
yes, ma'am.
Oh, just imagine if you guys get a cut in your body, and if blood flows, uh, at times, at least a housefly comes and sits, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, because the housefly is trying to feed on the blood for nutrition. Simple. For food. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then presence of any drugs. And again, because the insect is feeding on the dead body, anything that is inside the dead body will for sure go inside the body of the insect as well. Okay? If there is a dead body which has, and it can affect, it can negatively affect the insect as well, and also mislead the investigation at times. These are some reasons, these are the limitations of forensic entomology, why this branch is not doing so good in India and also in world. There are countries which do consider, but there are major limitations associated with it when compared to the advantages. Okay, so this is one major thing, because if there was a dead body found out with, let's say, cocaine or any other major drug, and an insect was found around, this insect's body is also having cocaine now, and it can negatively affect, because some drugs will speed up the life cycle, let's say if totally a fly takes, let's say, 14 days to develop, reach the adult stage. Maybe the presence of cocaine, after feeding cocaine, it might quickly turn into an adult in next 4 days. So that will mislead the investigator, right? Because quickly, if we are finding an insect who has invested in the dead body and which has reached an adult, so PMI calculation can be affected, right? Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that is a limitation. Okay. So majorly what forensic entomologists do observe are the insect successional wave. In what range, at what point is the insect coming to the dead body, and in what number they are multiplying. Okay, till what stage do they, feed on the dead body, and what stage do they leave? Or are they coming to the dead body for any other reason? For example, not every insect come on the dead body to lay egg or feed. Maybe some come to feed on the insect that is already there. They might not even touch the dead body. Got my point? Predator types.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the major life cycle changes of the fauna, whatsoever is found around the insects majorly, are studied so as to give clues to the investigation. So let's start with the initial stages, so initial stage of decomposition. So right after the death, okay, till 2 to 3 days, it can vary, guys. All the days count I am telling can vary as per season, as per the temperature, as per any other criteria. Okay, so this is a rough approx time. So this, okay, is anybody typing? I can just a second. Oh, so sorry, I missed the time between. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll share this like this. The screen is still visible, right? So that I can see the chats as well. It's still visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So, the initial stage starts right after the milliseconds after your death, okay? And it lasts till 2 to 3 to 4 days, okay? Depending upon various factors, as I said. So, at this, during this stage, you can compare with any rat or, any other animal you have seen dead, I mean, nearby. Okay? So there won't be any strong order of decomposition, right? Do you smell strong odor in first initial days if a dead body if of an animal is nearby? No, right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so
No,
and majorly Californidae, don't get confused with these flies, because every other fly like this is not house fly. Okay, so whenever somebody asks which is the first person to come on, first insect to reach the site, the dead body is blowfly. Okay, the first picture. Have you seen this fly? Yes, right? It is very common. You might have noticed them near, even ripen fruits.
yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes. Also, then second comes quickly, rightly after the arrival of blowflies, come flesh flies. These also are almost they look same, but blowflies can appear in blue, green color, maybe mix of both. But flesh flies are a bit smaller. Mostly you can locate when you, again as I said, when fruits are ripening. Okay. So these are the second people to come. Okay, then Baki followed by other insects from the Diptera family. Okay, so these usually are coming to the dead body in search of high protein food source, because the dead body can be having wound. Again, as I said earlier, blood can be a rich source of nutrition. Our flesh can be a nutrition source. Our eyes can be a source. Okay, every insect is coming on the dead body to feed different parts and take out different food items from the dead body to just simply put it forward. God, can we move to the next stage of decomposition? Any doubt from the first stage? Am I
No,
moving
ma'am.
too fast?
No,
Am I
ma'am.
moving too fast? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So next is blotting stage. Yeah. Blotting stage is the second stage after the fresh stage. And what do you mean by the term blot? Blot? What is blotting?
Means swelling, or sometimes when we say we are bloated, sometimes air fills up in the body.
Yes, air fills up in the body. If your body is reacting in any way, okay, you might often see blottings. Okay, so after death, again, you might have noticed animal dead bodies on road where their stomachs are blotted. Have you seen? Very blotted.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? That what can be the reason? Anybody, what can be the reason? Even not only with even the our dead body also. Okay. If
Ma'am,
food is
Ma'am,
kept
the bacteria are reacting and they are the carbon dioxide is the reason.
okay, you said the reason well, but you said the gas well. Okay, you wrong. Actually, as he said, we have several bacteria and other organisms in our body. Agree to that, everybody? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And even after the
Yes,
death,
ma'am.
the remaining food in your stomach is still might go through some residual digestive procedure, right?
No, ma'am.
Some incomplete work. Okay, so there the microorganism will react as usual, and your body is also having acids in it, right? Our stomach is having acid. Our stomach is having different juices. We have bile juice, we have other basic acids and acidic acids as well. Yes. So these all in reaction give out gases like methane in, if we say in specific, and we what are our natural body procedures to give out gas when we are alive? Anyone? What are the procedure your body does process to give out naturally building gas?
Ma'am, from mouth.
From mouth, burping and farting. Yes, Siddesh, thank you. So these are the two natural procedure every human body and every organism body goes through. It is common with animals, it is common with human. Okay. So once we are dead, we will not burp, right? And not fart. So this gas has to go out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just like a balloon, it will find any way to go out. Okay. Till it finds a way, this gas keeps on building up, and that's how this blotting thing happens in your body after the postmortem. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this stage, you can see these insects. These insects you have observed nearby, everywhere they are available, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are skipper flies and members from the Canidae family and Piophilidae family, Staphylinidae family, rope beetles you might have seen a lot of times on trees mainly. These look like ants, but they are not ants, they are beetles. Okay, and checkered beetles also. They might mimic, they might seem like ants, red ants, but they aren't. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this stage, mainly beetles do come. All right. So you understood what happens in the stage and who all are the people coming around. Can we move to the next stage?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
the third stage of decomposition is active decay. Actually, this third and fourth stage is decay stage. Okay, here is what exactly the decomposition, the proper decay, the putrefaction and all is going to start. Okay. So the active decay stage usually range from 10 to 20 days. That can also vary. So now what happens? What happens to your balloon if the gas you are filling is exceeds?
It burst.
Anybody? It bursts, right? So same procedure happens with the stomach. The methane gas and the other gases has now exceeded, and the stomach bursts out. You know the theory, right? The first thing to burst in your body is your stomach. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So once the stomach bursts, everything that was inside your body comes out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
okay. So now everything, because every organ and most of the flesh, most of the liquids, acids, everything has come out of the body. Now there is a creamy, fleshy layer around, and the body is now flattened. Now starts the strong smell of decay, because everything has come out along with the gases and liquids and other stuff, है ना? So now from now the smell starts, and it would be, intolerable smell. Now, a large migration of the Diptera family, mostly the beetle family, along with every variety of flies, okay, start coming to the dead body and feed on whatsoever nutrition pool is available. Okay, got it? What
Yes,
happens
ma'am.
in this stage?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you seen all these flies, guys? You have seen the second beetle, first beetle, right? It's called dung beetle. It's
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
simple.
ma'am.
Third beetle also you have found. It's the biggest beetle you find around. It's seen. I mean, always seen around, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So then let's start with the next stage, which is advanced decay. Okay, now what happened? In the last stage, what happened? Everything came out. Now all the insects and the fauna around is eating the food. Okay. Okay. In the whole stage, they are eating the food. In advanced decay, there are leftovers. All the people came, eat their food, and they started moving out. है ना? So now what remains is the waste, what the insects don't need apparently. Okay? They can be your cartilage, they can be your hair, nails, teeth, bone, and any other rough tissue that any beetle won't was not able to tear, या फिर उन्हें नहीं चाहिए था. Okay, they were not interested. Anything can be. Okay? So the people, and the fauna here, who come during this stage are cheese flies and parasitoid wasps. And here comes necrophagous species. What is necrophagia, guys? Anybody? What is necro? Necro is anyone? Necro?
Dead body.
Yeah, dead body. What is phagia? Phagia is eat. Okay, feed on the body. So necrophagia is something which feed on the body. Okay, when we are referring to necrophagous species, we are referring to the dead body is the leftover of the any insect that came to the dead body and died there. Okay, any larva that was not successfully that did not reach the adult stage. So there will be leftovers of the fauna, right? So, any necrophagous species who is interested in eating other insects come during this stage. Okay? And adult skin beetles are very common during the stage. The third photo. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then comes the last stage, which is the dry stage. You might have heard it as skeletonization stage or mummification stage, right? Mummies देखा है? You know mummies? You know skeletons? You have seen a skeleton?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between the dead body in a first initial stage and the mummification stage?
At initial stage, dead body has a lot of flesh and other organs intact, and when it decays in the last stage, it just remains as bones.
Bones along with other hard things like hair can be there, है ना? Not
Yes,
only
ma'am.
bone.
Hair and nails.
Okay, in dry state, every other hard material on your body which was not which animals or the insects were not able to tear basically. ठीक है, with their teeth, with their whatsoever hook they have. Okay, which includes your teeth, includes your hair, your any other cartilage, includes your nails. Okay, bones. ठीक है. So usually this stage happens after 50-56 days of death. Okay, now bone is only left. No flesh is there. Zero flesh. No liquid consistency. Only hard things are there. Okay. Highest number of species is noticed at this stage. Okay, mainly moth. I said that insects were not able to tear, but insects will come, mainly the beetles and the moth, and they'll slugs, snails, cockroaches, they'll still come to the side just to try to tear the body. They'll try a bit every day. Centipedes, millipedes, isopods, these all people come during this stage. Okay, and here at last I have added a point. A dead body might contain body fluid whereas the other generally where the other generally lack fluid. Yes, exactly. When your body is in wet condition till the active decay, of course your body is having full body fluids. Okay, every type of body fluid, all that we have learned in forensic bio. Okay, it can be your genital excretions, it can be your sweat, it can be your blood, it can be vomit, it can be urine, anything. Okay, but once it all dries up, nothing is there, no? Okay, so I have here mentioned the last point, soil pH restores. Okay, why do you think the soil pH might have disbalanced or changed in between if it restores in the last stage? Anybody? Soil, you know what pH is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, do you think during all these stages of decomposition, at any point, the soil pH, soil where the dead body is there, might have changed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When the acidic things burst out.
Yes, very good. In when during the active decay stage, when every acid and every liquid out of your stomach came out and got mixed with the soil, of course, the soil pH turned into acidic. Range? What is the range? Acidic है तो 0 to what value is acidic?
7.
7.
7.
Seven.
Okay, so as per the gases released, as per the food there was, as per the reaction happened, the soil around will turn into acidic in nature, and then this will get degraded until the last stage. Whatsoever was the original pH of the soil comes back. Was that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the stages of decomposition. Composition. Is there any doubt with the stages? Was that clear enough?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's clear.
Yes. So now, what attracts a fauna to the dead body? What is the clue your body is giving to the insect? Okay. Before I said no. Within seconds, the first blowfly will reach the site. Even at times when before a human being could locate. So what is the clue the dead body gave to the insect and not to human being basically? Okay, so there are certain orders arising from the corpse, maybe because of any microbial action that took place, okay, which can be only sensed by insects. Okay, and before we see decomposition outside exteriorly, there are many decomposition happening, many body organs stopping their function and starting getting prepared to for the the decomposition procedure, they send separate signals to the fauna around. And of course, as said, there are gases arising like methane, ammonia, cadaverine. These are all chemicals that can be easily smelled by the insects. Then bacteria send signals to their blowflies. Then there again, the beetles coming around who are trying to tear all the hard tissues, they are actually coming to feed on the dry parts, dry area, dry skin, the hair, the ligament, bones, etc. Okay, and the predaceous species obviously are attracted to the whatsoever leftover feeds of the dipteran larvae is available. Okay, so basically, the insects are attracted to various biological, chemical, physical changes that is happening in the body, maybe internally and externally. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and there are certain limitations and yeah, these I have already said, the developmental changes, PMI, and the behavior of the insect. Then these are all what entomologists do mainly study about. Now, what are the factors? As I said, there are many limitations to forensic entomology if we compare the advantages. So let's see what are few limitations this whole specialization has, and that these are the reasons why entomology does not give good results if we are seeing Indian scenario. Okay, first thing, the crop decomposition can affect various features like age, cause of death, etc., etc. Okay, like the time period taken by a dead body, a skinny dead body, okay, an underweight person to decompose will be very different from an obese person's dead body. Agree? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The time period taken by a fetus will be different, and time period taken by a middle-aged man will be different. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And if and the how did the death happened is, if it was in water during the stage, things can change. If it was in a it was affected by chemical intake, things might change. So these factors can lead to different things. And exterior factors like climate, temperature, है ना? Dead body, have you why do we keep things in fridge, freezer? Why do we keep meat in freezer?
To avoid microbial growth or fungi.
To avoid, no, not to avoid microbial growth, to delay microbial
fresh
growth.
run.
Delay microbial growth. If freezer would have avoided microbial growth, how would your milk and curd thing turn totally into curd? So it can't avoid, right? It can delay depending upon what is there, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
A, a dead body, which is in Himalayas, and a dead body which is in uh, Rajasthan. Which one will long last, or delay the procedure of decomposition?
Himalaya.
Himalaya.
Himalaya. Yes, because of the climate, of course. So even if both the dead bodies died due to same reason, same age, same body weight, everything is same. But if the climate is different, the whole day thing change. The Himalaya dead body, there are chances that Himalayan body would never decompose, है ना? Because the temperature is very down there. Yes. Then clothing is very important. Clothing and location of the dead body is very important. For example, if there is a dead body which is naked, okay, and same area there is a dead body with three sweaters covered, gloves is there, socks is there, hat is there, face mask is there, totally covered. what do you think? Which one will decompose first? या फिर insect will be very easily attacking on which dead body?
The one which is exposed
Fully
first.
covered? No. How will it
Exposed dead body.
exposed one? Because they don't have to work hard. Totally, the body is there. They don't have to find a way to get inside a cloth and search their way to a body opening. It's all open. Yes. And then again the location. Okay, again one situation. Imagine a dead body which is 6 feet dug inside the ground, and there is a dead body on the ground. Which one will decompose first? First attack goes to
In the ground.
in the ground, matlab inside 6 feet or on the ground.
Inside 6 feet.
Inside 6 feet.
What is the reason?
There are more microbes present.
What did I say? Is the microbe the first thing to reach the dead body?
No, ma'am,
On the
on the
ground.
ground body because flies reach first on the ground.
Yes. So I said 6 feet down, matlab there are limited people there. There will be worms. There can be some snakes. There won't be any insect, right? So every insect working on the initial stage of decomposition have to find out a way. If normal cases 50 blowflies will reach, there are chances ki one or two might somehow reach the spot. है ना? But if it's on the ground, it is accessible to all flies. They don't have to work hard again, right? So that is also a factor affecting your decomposition. So these are just two case studies. You guys can just note down. You know Ted Bundy, right? Everybody, Ted
Yes,
Bundy.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. There are several aspects and case details and मेरा 2 डायलॉग वेस्ट हो यहाँ से Am I audible, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. That was a network glitch. Okay, did you hear what I said about Ted Bundy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So Ted
No,
Bundy, we
ma'am.
all know Ted Bundy's serial killer part, right? Ted Bundy was into necrophagia. He used to eat the dead body. He used to have sex with the dead body, which is necrophilia and necrophagia. He was a serial killer. He was playing the lover boy card and, not kidnapping and all. The victims all came with full consent but never went back part, we all know, right? But if you explore, there are a lot of case studies and literal photographs and case reports of Ted Bundy available on internet on several platforms. There are his fingerprints, there are his dermatoglyphic records or dentology records. Also, there are cases where forensic entomology actually helped giving clues regarding one of his cases. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh, the screen is not visible. Is it visible?
yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Okay. So, limitation again, I have said because again, we live in India. We know how many geographical changes we have. We are diverse with climates, right? We have so many states, and every state, as we have diverse languages, we have diverse climatic conditions as well. So it's obvious that we'll have different landscapes, different fauna available, different. Again, we don't have an official record or database of all this fauna, so that is a limitation. Okay. Then all the environmental facts, of course. Then, of course, limited research because even I don't have seen a lot of people doing entomological research because so that can be a main way to build a reference data, but that is lacking. So, of course, that is one again limitation. So, conclusion, yes, forensic entomology is preferred for cases where there are no clues available. Okay, but again, the time since death has exceeded 72 hours, which is the main advantage this whole branch gives. Okay, even if techniques like biochemical or histological or any other molecular test fails or you want a reconfirmation, of course, you can go with forensic entomological evidences, and it gives clues regarding the location misplaced, the PMI, the season, the presence of wound, or maybe the presence of chemicals, intoxicants, even. Oh, I am just not only telling about drugs or alcohol or any other substances of abuse. Even if the dead body was taking combifarm daily, so the insect body will of course have combifarm traces. Okay. So
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
that's it from my end. Thank you so much for being very patient. I am open to questions. Do we have any?
No, ma'am.
Wow. Anybody else? Do we have any questions? You can drop it in the chat box. Link is not opening. I have not given any link. Which link? Soumya, you were asking? Acha, oh, Google Form. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's it from my end. Thank you so much. Should I stop sharing the screen? You guys can take over.
Thank you, ma'am, for this
Thank you so much,
engaging and
ma'am.
interactive session. It was really so interesting. Your expertise have surely deepened our understanding on fauna and forensic investigation. And we thank all the participants for joining and making this session a success.
Excuse me, I do have a question.
Yes, please.
So, ma'am, what is the most unusual piece of evidence that a forensic entomologist would have ever determined for a post-mortem interval beside the standard blowfly life cycle data?
Can I go with the body parts?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay, you can even find, let's say, okay, you know the life cycle of a butterfly, right? We all know the life
Yes, ma'am.
cycle of a butterfly. So, you know the cocoon part?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
So once the cocoon bursts like an like eggshell. So once the egg is out, the yolk is out, and the things inside is out, the shell is waste. That's what we do give as waste, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So same cocoon remains can be a great evidence, but very confusing evidence well. So that is not unusual. There's nothing every evidence is usual and every evidence is important. है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Even if we get vomit on a crime scene, it is our important evidence. So if we get a fly, it's remind, it's not unusual, but it is very difficult to defend.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
hope I answered your question. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Can I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.